Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to replace every instance of a color in Affinity Designer. This is incredibly useful when you want to quickly change a specific color throughout your entire design without having to manually adjust each element. Let's dive right in. First, launch Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the application opens, you can either open your existing file or create a new file to work with. This process works seamlessly with any project you have in mind. Now direct your attention to the right panel on your screen, particularly to your Layers section. This is where you'll find all the essential tools for making adjustments to your design. In this panel, click on Adjustments. From the options that appear, select HSL. This stands for Hue, Saturation, and Luminosity, and it's the key tool we'll be using to replace colors across your design. After selecting HSL, a preset color will appear in the bottom right corner of your screen. This is your starting point for making color adjustments. Take a moment to locate this preset as it's going to guide you through the next steps. Next, navigate to the three main sliders you'll be working with: Hue Shift, Saturation Shift, and Luminosity Shift. These sliders are your primary controls for transforming colors throughout your entire design. Each one serves a specific purpose in modifying the appearance of your selected color. You can use these sliders to change the color from left to right. The Hue Shift slider allows you to change the actual color itself, moving through the color spectrum. Dragging it to the left or right will cycle through different colors, effectively replacing your original color with a completely new one. The Saturation Shift controls how vivid or muted your color appears, while the Luminosity Shift adjusts how light or dark the color is. As you move these sliders, you'll notice the changes happening in real time across your design. This makes it incredibly easy to experiment with different color combinations until you find exactly what you're looking for. The beauty of this method is that it affects every instance of the color simultaneously, saving you tremendous amounts of time. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to replace every instance of a color in Affinity Designer using the HSL adjustment tool. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.